7 video models. 1. CogVideo XLTX. Text to video, image to video. On the same card that ran your chat, your images, and the voice you're hearing. Every model downloads right here. Sizes, requirements, progress bars, all local. You don't tune tensors here, you pick presets. Quality, from a 10-step draft to a 50-step master. Duration, aspect ratio. And here's the trick, reshape the frame, and the VRAM bill stays the same. The pixel budget just redistributes. Let's make a shot. The keeper rowing home through the storm. Preview the enhanced prompt. That's instant. String craft, not an LLM call. And into the queue. Watch the stage chips, queued, storyboard, generating. If the card is busy, it says so, and waits its turn. Renders never fail just because the GPU had a customer. While that cooks, here's the same shot rendered 2 ways, same prompt, same seed. First draft tier, 10 steps raw output. Quick rough, good enough to judge an idea. And now cinema tier. 40 steps, frame interpolation for motion, a super resolution pass on top. Same machine, same card, just more patience. And when presets aren't enough, one click drops you into the full node editor underneath. ComfyUI, themed to match. Single clips are one thing. Next episode, drop in a song and get a whole music video back, cut to the beat. One machine, no cloud.